Okay, I want to bring some information to you about the power of milk thistle. You know, let's hear what people have to say about milk thistle, and I'm gonna break it down from there after that. Okay, let's go.
I tried to tell y'all milk thistle ain't nothing to play with. Look what she said. Had cirrhosis and severe fibrosis, and guess what? It went all the way back. It reversed itself. Like I keep trying to tell y'all, the truth doesn't need any help. All of these things that I'm talking about on here, they're certified organic and they work.
They work. Milk thistle is a beast when it comes to cirrhosis. Okay, that's just one thing. And this is why Dr. Leila Africa was a beast. And he was so important when he was trying to share with everybody issues like that when you're dealing with, when you're trying to take milk thistle to cleanse your body. Okay? Let me play this one. Then one a little funny. Now, this guy here likes to, let me play.
Here's what happens if you take milk thistle for 15 days, especially if you like to drink on the weekends like me. Oh, and if you don't believe me,
Why are you holding it?
I'm a wellness expert. And those who follow me know that I test a ton of recovery and detox products, so I kind of know what I'm talking about. Let's get into it. The first few days of what I call the deep clean phase, your liver starts flushing out all the junk that's been sitting in your system. And if you're over 35, that junk shows up as stiff joints, brain fog, and stubborn belly fat
That is true. That stubborn belly fat is coming because the liver can't do its job. Okay? And you got a fatty liver.
won't go away. But by day 5, you'll start to feel that bloating start going down. By day 10, you're going to be waking up clear and energized. No more dragging yourself to that coffee machine at work. And by day 15, it feels like your whole body hit a reset button. Now, there's other liver detox products on the market.
It's okay. Okay. He likes some grapes, huh? All right. Now, let me play this. This is real life people stories. Okay. Now, of course, these are help providers and individuals that are helping people in their community. I love the fact that people will each one teach one. Each one teach one, and then they'll start sharing with people around what you can do and helping you understand the breakdown and the details. Let me play hers. Hers is kind of long. I'm gonna have to stop it a few times or either not get the whole message.
Let's talk about cirrhosis of the liver and chronic hepatitis, hepatitis C. These are all issues that affect the liver. And one of the things that has been shown by studies over many decades and years to help for liver, the one thing that I go to as an old root medicine woman is milk thistle. Milk thistle has a chemical compound in the seed known as Silymarin. It's
She getting it. Look at her. Teach it, girl.
Silymarin, Silymarin. And this chemical compound in the seed is good for de-inflammatory. The other thing that it also does is it protects when your liver is sick, like let's say cirrhosis of the liver or hepatitis C or anything like that. What happens is your cells are dying. So what the Silymarin does, which is the chemical compound of milk thistle, is it protects when your liver creates new cells, it protects those cells from the toxins that are killing the old cells can't touch the new cells that are made.
Correct. Correct.
It protects the new cells. So your liver continues to make new cells, and as long as you're taking milk thistle, which has the Silymarin, the chemical compound Silymarin, it will protect the new cells that are being made. The other thing too is animals. Even you know how animals they know like what will if you want to know what will heal you, just watch what an animal does. But animals will eat the milk thistle plant when they have come in contact with the death cap mushroom. The death
Didn't know that.
cap mushroom is a very poisonous mushroom that lives in the swamps and lowlands.
That is true about the mushroom and what mixed us to do against it. Okay.
Sometimes animals will eat. They're very small, so sometimes the animal will accidentally eat them when they're eating grass or something. And
I actually got a case study on mushrooms and how individuals got heavily issues with mushroom poisoning and the thistle. Woo.
always go for the milk thistle plant. And if the animal takes the milk thistle plant within 10 minutes of ingesting the death cap mushroom, he doesn't die. But if he doesn't get it within 10 minutes, the death cap mushroom will kill him. So milk thistle is a wonderful healing aid for the liver. It is also very effective against the C. It protects cells and keeps them dividing. Like it's huge in the when it comes to studying the benefits of the Silymarin. The Silymarin is extracted from the seeds, so it's the seeds in the milk thistle is what is so potent and powerful.
Okay, I like that. I like that. I'm gonna have to edit that C out. You should understand what she's talking about. But listen, let me break this down to you. Okay, that was some case studies. Okay, when it came to cirrhosis in 1989. All right. Now they did 170 patients with liver cirrhosis, and within less than what is it called? They use something like 140 milligrams, and because of that seed and compound that's in milk thistle, the survival rate after 4 years was almost over 60%. Okay. Now, to me, myself, 140 milligrams, I take more. I take double all that right there. Okay. Anyways, 1982, they did an actual study with alcohol liver disease trial, and that was two doctors. And you could just research these studies. Just Google it. 97 patients. Okay, and after a month of taking milk thistle, their liver improved dramatically. 1998, another alcohol cirrhosis trial, okay, was at a hospital clinic, all right, in Barcelona, okay, and the study it found that their survival wasn't significant enough for them to report. Oh, so we got some things that put negative in there. Okay, that's Barcelona in 1998. Okay, 2012, hepatitis C in United States. Okay, University of North Carolina. They tested it on actual several patients, and it reduced significantly the ALT liver enzymes compared to just people that got a fake placebo. Wow. 2014. Okay. Trying to reduce fatty liver, 64 patients with non-alcoholic issues. Okay. Milk thistle treatment significantly lowered the ALT liver enzymes. And it's more here. But let me do a little deep dive and tell you Kareem's breakdown. The reason why Dr. Layla Africa was trying to break down to you why milk thistle is so important, because this organ right here, the liver, now it'll rejuvenate itself, but it goes through a lot of drama that we put it through from the bad, horrible foods that we put in our mouths. Okay? You need to protect this. Kidneys, heart, and liver, to me, them three bad boys is you got to focus on them three organs, heavily focus on them three organs. And it matters with the gut, starts there. So whatever you drink, whatever you eat, it starts there. So that sugar and that carbohydrates, that high fructose corn syrup, it puts the liver through major, major issues. Just because you can't see the damage, you can't see it, you think you good. Just because your skin look all right, you feel like you walk around fine, you're good, you think you're good. You don't think there's a problem at all. And that's a problem because you are not taking the time to think about your inner self. So soda, candy, pastries, processed desserts, sugar, it actually enters into the liver. Unlike other organs, the liver converts excess sugar into fats. At least it tries to. The process, okay? It has a situation process that it go through. So the pancreas and the liver, oh, that's another organ you need to heavily take care of because you have insulin resistance. The pancreas and the liver, they communicate heavy on what to do with the excess sugar that the cells will say, I don't want no more. Okay, I'm gonna have to do another video on that because you create heavily inflammation in the body and the organs be going through all kinds of drama. Another thing that is heavy on the liver that people don't pay attention is them seeded oils, okay? Like vegetable oil, canola oil. Oof. And bad boys is. Anyways, what I deal with in my house is I deal with avocado oil when I'm heating up high, okay? Some people that want to put something and fry something. Avocado oil is the one. Saute olive oil or making yourself a salad, with olive oil. Those are good to do and whatnot because olive oil turns rancid when you heat it up. Some people don't know that. Okay, so you got to stay away from them corn oils and vegetable oils and them canola oils and soybean oils. 1 teaspoon of those oils, I need to do a video on that. It literally is very difficult on the heart, the pancreas, the liver, the kidneys. But they sell it all the time, okay? In the stores like candy. Processed food is difficult for the liver to process and convert and cleanse. Just wanted to make sure you understand alcohol. Of course, everybody knows about alcohol. And just in case you don't know, alcohol damages the liver double time. So if you like brother man with the grapes, if you gonna be drinking, at least give your liver something to be like, man, listen, I know I'm putting you through it, but let me, throw down some of these, couple of these Thistle, pills to help you out today. Okay, listen, I feel that to me personally, since we live in the United States, my recommendation is that everybody should be having at least something around anywhere between 200 to 300 milligrams of some milk thistle. I don't think people should not be having that in their body because it's to me, this is just what I do for myself. I make sure I don't play around when it comes to milk thistle. I need it, and I suggest you have it in your life as well because a lot of people think that it's not a big deal, and it is. Okay, so this would be a daily thing because you're eating the food daily, all day, and you're not protecting one of the most important organs. One of the top important organs. Liver, kidneys, heart, pancreas. On that note, you guys have yourself a good one because I'm always trying to teach and let you know Mother Nature's a gift to healthy living. Herbal. Peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbal Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.